Have you ever sent an email that looked cluttered or hard to read? Well, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to add bullet points in Gmail, a simple trick that instantly makes your emails look cleaner, more professional, and easier to follow. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail account and click the Compose Synopsis button in the top left corner. This opens a new email window where you can start writing your message. Go ahead and type your email as you normally would. Don't worry about formatting just yet. Once you've written the part of your message that you want to turn into a list, maybe a set of tasks, ideas, or key points, highlight that specific text by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. Next, look at the bottom toolbar of the Email Compose window. You'll see an icon with a capital A and a line underneath it. And that's your Formatting Options button. Click it, and you'll notice several tools appear for changing font, size, and color. Now, find the bulleted list icon. It looks like 3 small dots followed by horizontal lines. Click on it and boom. Your highlighted text instantly becomes a neat bulleted list. If you ever decide to remove the bullets, simply highlight the text again and click the same icon. It acts as a toggle, turning bullets on or off. That's it. You've just learned how to add bullet points in Gmail. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference, helping your emails look polished, organized, and easy to read. Try using bullet points the next time you send a detailed message or a task list. You'll notice how much clearer your communication becomes. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to stick around for more quick and practical digital tips. See you in the next one.